Hello friends, welcome back. Guys, today's session we will discuss how to create a database table and how you can insert the values in your table in Pgadmin4. Okay, so this is a GUI for a PostgreSQL. Okay, so very first, once you open the Pgadmin4, you need to connect with your PostgreSQL. Okay, so here the server option is available. Just click on that. Here at the time of installation, whatever password you choose, those password you need to mention here. So I'm just entering the password and then click on OK. Now the connection, like we connected to pgadmin and my PostgreSQL section RC1. Okay, so here database option is available. So very first I'll show you how to create a database. So click on this database option, create database. Here you can give the name, database name as a student. Okay. Then click on save icon. Here the student database got created. Now I want to create a schema. Okay. So most of the things, if you not created a schema, then in public you can create a table. But this is a not a recommended way, I can say. You created your database, so you can create your own schema as well. Okay, then your schema option is available. Create a schema, give the schema name as a student schema, scgm. Okay, then click on save. So guys, student, this is my database and schema got created. Two schemas are there, public you can minimize, and here student schema got created. Okay, so I want to create a table. So how you can create? Click on the create option. Okay, open your maximize the schema, and then table options are available, tables. Okay, so click on the particular tables, create table. Here you can give the table fields. Okay, so this is a student database and student schema. So our first would be a student ID, student underscore ID. Then click on save. Sorry, very first I want to give the table name. Okay, so student data. This is my table name is capital. Okay, student data. This is my table name. Then click on save. Okay, so here you can see in tables student data table got created. I want to add some fields, so click on this student data, create columns. Okay, first column would be sid, and here data type cannot be empty. Click on definition. Here you can select a database. So guys, here so many database are available, so I'm selecting the character varying varchar. Okay, click on save. After that, one column got created. I want to add three columns, so click on this table, create column, yes name. Definition would be a character varying, and then click on save. After that, again click on this particular table column. Here you can give the name as a address. Okay, and then definition data type would be a character varying. Okay, then click on save. Okay, so my database got created, schema got created, and table got created. Now I want to insert some fields. So the way is that click on this particular table, and here PSQL tool and query tool is available. So query tool, this is SQL related. Okay, so I'm familiar with this particular query tool, so I'm just choosing this option, query tool. So new query tool is available. So I want to insert some fields into my data, like into my table. So the query will be insert into student data, in bracket, give the column name sid, comma, yes name, then address. Okay. uh take the spelling first, ADDRE double S. Okay. After that, values in another bracket in single quote. SID we giving the integer but in single quote because we have selected the character varying data type. Okay. After that, comma, in single quote, XYZ, again, comma, single quote, address India, and then complete with a semicolon. After that, click on this execute and refresh F5 button. Okay. Here you can see the error relation student data does not exist. Why? Because student data does not exist. Let me check quickly. This is our database. This is our schema. Okay, got it. You need to mention your schema name as well. Okay, so schema name is student schema. Don't mistake in your spelling. CHEMA. Okay, dot. So insert into schema dot table, and inside a bracket you can give the field name and values. After that value you can add here and then semicolon. Okay, then click on this execute and refresh. Does not exist. I think we did mistake something. Insert into student schema, student schema dot student data is capital student data. Okay, let me check. Does not exist. Is ID, is name, and then address. It's also fine. Values 101. Okay. Okay. Quickly, I'll create another schema. Create a schema. EMP. Something is happening. This schema. Okay. Inside this schema, table option is available. So create table. Give the name as a employee. EMPLOYEE, and then save. After that, I'm adding some columns. Create column, EID, then definition, character varying. So type CHAR. Okay. Then save. Again, create column, ename, then definition, CHAR, character varying. Then save. After that, third would be create column, address. Okay, then definition, character varying, and then save. Okay, now I want to add this field. So I want to new worksheet for this particular table. So click on the table first, then click on this icon, new query. Okay, Here you can write a query. Insert into emp dot employee values emp loy double okay, in like next bracket eid comma ename address values. After that 102 bracket complete comma single quote, give the name as a pqr comma single quote, then india single quote complete, then give semicolon. After that click on this icon. Insert query written successfully. Okay guys, so that way you can insert the particular table values. Might be I'm mistaken, I created this particular schema student s small and s capital. Might be this is error, that's why it's showing the relationship error. But don't worry, I created another schema employee emp and employee, this is my table. So the particular uh, like values inserted or not, let me check. This is my particular table name employee, then click on view elite and first 100 rows. So as you can see here, the particular data got inserted. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. So that way you can insert, create a database, how to connect to particular database and insert the values. So that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. We will come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much.